pigeons and then towards spur. We have a supercells developed west of spur for severe wind now.
Is there room for me? Negative. I'm going to keep going until I get out of the range.
Definitely on the ground now. Time is 5:38. Mezzo is incredible. Amazing rotation in this thing. There's a good hill up here right before that turn that jaunt to the west and back south.
I'm ready to reposition, Scott, if you are. Well, I don't know. Now that I think about it, we're looking due west. It's coming right at us. Our contrast will only improve with time. So we're already having a little bit better contrast. Tornado.
Oh, just incredible. Here's the old mezzo, new mezzo forming to the right here.
It's moving quick and southeast. It's not moving west. That's what's throwing me off. Think we'll make it?
Ahead of it? I doubt it.
Have to let it pass and then go from behind it, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to take a chance going into that.
Let it pass to our south, you mean? Yeah, let it pass to the south and go south, and probably won't take long for us to get out of the core and then go east. Stand by. What's this? I'm gonna dive south. Going south? But I think I can make it. It's not moving that fast.
You're not pulling my shots.
I'm gonna shoot over your shoulder.
I'm going to shoot down here.
The Alpha back there.
Yeah, that's the old occluded mezzo. Falling apart. Here's a new mezzo. Incredible upward motion, violent rotation with it.
There it is. Good Lord.
What are the rain curtains here? Incredible motion these rain curtains. Very rapid rotation. Here we go. New tornado. Very large cone tornado. Very impressive rotation.
Large tornado. Violent motion. Time is 6:12. Wedge tornado. Dusty wedge.
An incredible tornado, KD5 KOW, behind Jason Politte.
Oh, is that amazing or what?
It's careful time. It's obviously wrapped, and we can't go too much further.
Yeah, I'm just gonna find a place to pull off, I guess, and watch.
Past these trees would be good because we can escape quickly to the south. Man, I got it when it was right across the road from me when it was white. I don't know if you ever had when it was a white tornado. I got a white wedge.
Yeah, one time it was white. It was beautiful. All right, I'm gonna pull over up here.
We can go north on 208 or south on 208 in a mile.
Oh, I might try to get north of it. Might have better view of the north.
Amos, we're north on 208.
That's out. Thanks, Jason.
There's Amos and Eric.
I think they're still back on 2320, I think.
Oh, I go north. It occludes, and the best contrast is going to be to the north of it. So I'm going to go and try to get north of it.
Are there any east options after that?
I don't know.
I think I'm just gonna stay where I'm at.
It looks like they're going to merge, huh? Or is that what we're looking at right behind us?
No, I think it's what we're looking up to our right. The Delta down there.
Oh, wow. It's got a lowering, too.
Looks like it might have a funnel on it on the right.
It does.
Time is 6:20. New large mezzo to our east. We're going down back east on 2320.
Here we go, tornado.
my CF card, if I'd have known this was going to be Wedge Fest 95.
Oh, it's quite enjoyable.
Yeah, I think so. So if we go east, we'll hit 70, and if it keeps moving east, it has to have a little bit of a southerly component to it. Then we can just follow the tornadoes, get to 380, and just stay east with it.
Circulation forming right up the road here.
Yeah, I can tell. It's weird, the breeze through the southern lights next.
Yeah, okay, I'm in the bear stage this thing now on 1228. Right back in south, back to 230.
I keep saying it right here, right behind it. When we arrive in Jane, we'll also have the choice of going north if this thing has more of a northerly component.
New trailer on the old occluded mezzo. Look at the updraft, the sand is under. It's totally occluded. This funnel stretches all the way up.
I'm the 713 heading south on 70 toward Asphalt, start toward the Woodman. Here's looking at the supercell, left field and behind. Drop south, 4 here, as you can see, a little later.
We're almost out of the northeast now, so interesting.
You want to do a little bit of a baby there in front of us here, I can't tell.
I feel that we're starting to see some definition now. That's what we are. I feel that. Okay. We can see that. Let's rotate. Oh, I think we're into the barricade. Come on, let's take that thing. That's just, I think we're okay now. Info band is up the road over here at the light in here.
Well, this is the very end of a tornado. It's roping out. Hope you got some of that on video.
Got a little bit of shooting out like that.
Bit of trouble with the trees.
Oh, that was disgusting.
It was in a really that high contrast, I guess, anyway, but oh well.
Incredibly large mesocyclone, time is 7:55, northwest of Hamlin, Texas. Just north of 92, incredible structure of this thing.
I'm going to try to get north in the notch. Let me know if this thing's about to do something. Interesting new base now becoming visible. It's probably the occluded updraft right there on the left.
Keep an eye on that new one to the north as well.
Actually, that looks like a little bit bigger hail is starting to fall. For FYI. I think I'm just going to sit it out here and watch it until it's past us too much.
Yeah, I don't think there's any reason to move right now. It doesn't look, nothing looks imminent. Oh, that's a very close bolt.
Yeah, no kidding, geez.
We have isolated golf balls falling now.